Hello people and welcome to another video. I have been working away like a little artist in a cave and I have been bringing a lot of new things for you guys. I've been selling my art and all sorts, and now I'm selling my own handmade jewelry. Yes, these gorgeous things I made myself. I know, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, you want to see what I made? Oh, well, why didn't you just ask? Let me show you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, watch me. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Level up, 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 level up.
Check your ex, level up, love yourself, level up, drop that weight, level up, it's time to win, level up.
Them old mistakes are gone, I won't do them no more. That's old news, that's new news, I done did that before. I turn nothing to something, my comeback on 100. Less talking, more action, you just gon' see coming. I just keep elevating, no losses, just upgrading. My lessons made blessings, I turn that into money. They gotta never settle, this view is so much better. I'm chilling, I'm winning, like on another level. Oh.
And that is my jewelry photo shoot. Remember guys, if you like any of these pieces, they are all for sale on my Etsy shop. It's all linked down below in the description, and you can go to my Instagram, I am Genevieve, and the link is there too. All these pieces are going to be made to order, so don't worry, you're not going to miss out. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't hurry up on over there just because there's going to be more, you know, I'm just saying. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you comment down below which is your favorite pair of earrings, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and when you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get push notifications every time that I post. And anyway, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!